YouTube, Chris here, and this is going to be my review on the TerraLux LIghtstar220 LED flashlight. I'm always keeping my eye out for a good deal and a good flashlight. I work in security, so flashlights are important to me, I guess I should say. As a comparison, I'm going to be using the Streamlight Stinger flashlight, which is another light I have a lot of experience with. It's the one that we keep in our vehicle and in our office. The one we use. It's a rechargeable xenon bipin bulb, which is it's not LED. It's just your traditional light bulb. It is rechargeable, so it's got that running for it, but I'm going to use that as my comparison for this TerraLux flashlight. This flashlight you can get for about $30 on Amazon. List price is $32.99 plus free shipping. The TerraLux has a 3-watt LED bulb. It is rated at 220 lumens, and I believe that it is every bit of 220 lumens. This light is very, very bright. It is quite blinding. They've got it weighing in at 7.20 ounces. I do not have a scale, so I can't confirm that. And they say it's 6 inches long, which I do happen to have a tape measure, or I can measure that. And it is coming in just at 6 inches long here. Just under, actually. This light comes with two settings. Full power, and then if you push this little button on the back, half power setting. Which, if you're in any kind of maybe law enforcement, EMS, security, that's very important. In my case, if we get a power outage at the place I work, I might be using this light for 2, 3, 4 hours at a time. And running on full power, the light, is not going to run as long. It's only going to run for about 2 hours on full power. You can get 5 or 6 out of it at half power, so having that switch back and forth is very important. All my equipment, I use it rough. I put it through the paces, as I have done with this light. As you can see, it's busted and bashed. I've broken stuff with it. I've hammered stuff with it. Stuff you probably typically wouldn't do with a flashlight. I've dropped it in water just to test it out, because I've been waiting to do this review for a while, but I wanted to make sure that this light was good. It hasn't failed on me yet. It's still just as bright as it was the day I got it. I bought it about a year ago. Use it every day I work. It's like I said, it's never failed on me. It has this, what they might call like a tactical switch on the back. It does have a clicking sound, but it's kind of neat. You don't really have to push on the button hard to get it to change. It's just like a little tap. There's not another click. It only has the two settings, high and low. It is made of aluminum, but it's very thick aluminum. You're not going to break it. I've tried. I've chucked it off a 5-story building and watched it hit the ground, gone down and picked it up and turned it right back on. This light has 2 O-rings to keep the water out. There and there. And it runs on 2 AA batteries. Now, to compare, the Streamlight, it is rechargeable. It's about $80. It's only 125 lumens. I had 2 of them at work. the screen or the lens on one of the stream lights did break. This one's yet to break. And their casing isn't as thick either. They're not as sturdy. Not a bad. I'm not saying they're a bad light, but for this being $30 cheaper, I'd go with the TerraLux. There's no problems with it. Everybody that has used this light has wanted it. I mean, 3-4 people have bought it since I got one, and they all love it. The TerraLux will outshine the Streamlight any day. I can light up any building or inside of any building or any room I need to. I can see 2 football fields with this light and still have light being put out by it. I work in a lake area. I can see across coves with it. It's really bright. And that's all there is to it. It's bright and it's tough. There's nothing more to say. I'll take it out on my back porch and shine it so you can see just how far it reaches, and that'll be that.